It's the ABCs of environmental law, and today B is for BMP. Now, when you hear about the Clean Water Act, you're likely thinking about drinking water or oceans or protecting rivers and lakes. And what people usually don't realize is that a good portion of how the Clean Water Act works is not necessarily in the water, cleaning the water. A lot of the Clean Water Act's purpose is about looking upstream. It's about controlling sources of pollution so we can protect, maintain, and clean up the water bodies downstream. So B is for BMP, and these are best management practices. They're one of the main ways that the Clean Water Act actually functions on the ground. BMPs are the practical steps that facilities can take to keep pollutants out of stormwater runoff and keep it away from surface water before they cause a problem. So they are focusing on prevention. Now, some BMPs are physical, things like berms, covers, secondary containment, or filters. If you've seen grates at a gas station that catch oily water before it gets to the street, or if you've walked past a construction site and you see the screens to catch construction dust, or you've seen straw barriers or sandbags around a storm drain, you're looking at BMPs. So those are the practical ones, and others are operational. Things like having good housekeeping at sites to prevent materials from building up, making sure your employees get good training, or having a spill response plan that you follow in case something happens. And if you have a stormwater permit, BMPs are the backbone of your compliance. These permits focus on whether or not a business or development has reasonable, effective BMPs in place, and they're supposed to be designed to reduce the discharge of pollutants. Businesses also have to maintain them and be sure that they're in good condition and that they're actually doing the things that you want them to do. And that's one place where people get in trouble, because BMPs don't work if they're just copied and pasted into a plan and forgotten. Regulators expect them to be tailored to the site and maintained over time and adjusted when something isn't working. And a failure to have adequate BMPs can put a business or construction project at risk of administrative enforcement or lawsuits.